Hi friends, today I'm gonna discuss about linked list, especially swap nodes in single linked list. So if you see my previous video like linked list and especially in singly linked list, I discuss about how to add nodes, remove nodes, and print the nodes, add first, add last, remove first, this sort of method. So please follow this video, and then after you can see this one. So I not discuss about the how I create the node and add and remove all the stuffs. So today I only discuss about the single linked list, how the swap nodes. So if we think like we're gonna swap this one and this one, so let me first explain the algorithm. So while we are swap, then what it gonna happen if we swap it, and this b or this node will come here and this node will be go there. Okay, then what's gonna happen, we have to find the previous of this node. So previous node is a, so this a, and then next we're gonna refer this one, and we will same time we need to find out the previous of this node. So here is c, so this one set next is b, b will be here. So and also if as we are going to swap these two nodes, and if these node are same, for example this one is b and this one also b, then we don't gonna swap because it's not gonna affect it. So while we found like both node, left node, right node, or node 1, node 2, both are same, then we are not going to do that. So it will be, I mean, return you or show you appropriate error message or appropriate message. So here is the code for my single linked list, and here again this is node, and this one some instance variable, and then this is add fast, add last, we discuss in last, and remove, and finally print. Now I'm gonna add a new method is called get node. This, so this node will return, like if we enter a value, then it will return the node, the entire node. So see what's going to happen here. So we said node current equal to head, and then current dot get element is not equal to e and not null. If it is not null, if it is null, then we don't need to, I mean, search it or get anything, right? So, and if first one is not this node, then it's go in while loop. So what's going to happen here, current equal to current dot next, just is transfers the, I mean, the linked list, and then it's return the current. So what is current? So current is always changing, and if it is not equal to, for example, while we get a current means get a node and the element is not this one, so while it get the value, then it's return the entire node. So that means we're not exchanging the value, we we reallocate or we the change the reference. Now I'm gonna write the swap node, and I'm just gonna explain it, and I don't try to type it and waste the time. So here is the swap nodes. So here the swap nodes start, and now let me explain it. So first, as we're gonna swap two nodes, so it's take two argument, left or right, left and right, or whatever you can like, right, whatever you like, you can give the name, and then here we are verifying the if this node and that node is same, then we say to no need to swap, because we cannot understand that it's actually swapped. So that's why we are not swapping. It's possible to swap, but it's not need to swap. So that's the case. Now in else part is going to happen. So first we, whatever I discussed few minutes earlier, like I need to get, so here is left next, okay, and left dot get next. Okay, so first we try to get the next node of the left or first one, and also next value of the right one. Then we here we're gonna create here current node, means we are gonna start from here from head, and then we find out the left previous. So for example, we need to find which node we are searching. So here left node, here left node and right node. So here we can consider, so for example B and C is our left node, and this is right node. Or for example, so this is right node. Okay, so in here we're gonna find left next. So we need to get this one and this one. So this is left next and this is left previous, so that left previous will link with this one, and and this left previous will link with the right node, and right node next will be that one. That's why we need to get the left previous, left next. So here we find left next, left previous. So first let's see how we got the left previous. Left previous, there is a while loop again. If current is not null, then get next, and if it is, if equal to left, when it's get means is rotate here like current equal to get next, and it will continue. But if is get like current dot get next, when getting next all the nodes, here we just take a 3 or 4 nodes, maybe it's 100 nodes. Okay, so when it's match with this one, then what we say left previous equal to current, means we're gonna match it, we got the left node, and then we break. Okay, and the same way we're gonna find right previous. Okay, so while this current dot next means one node equal to right node, then it's break and it's put the value in the right previous value. And again we're gonna say is like if it is right previous or left previous is null, then it's just return. Otherwise here is main swap things is happened. What happened, I told you, left previous, so this is left previous is set the right. See, set the right, and right, and then right the next. So right has two things, one data, another next. So next will be left next, means this one. So that means it's come here, right? It's come there. While we say this node previous is this one and next is this one. That means it's come here, and The same way, like right previous, so right previous, this one dot set next is left. So this one right previous next is this one, and this node from here is referred what right next, if it is any right next. Get it? So let's test this swap function. So before we did it here, what's happened? We can like ignore these two. So this is like if function we are going to test one means if it is the same nodes. So just forget this one. Control slash. Oh, we need right node. Also we need left node. Okay, we need both node. Okay, so here are the things in a happened. So let's put it the same way, however it was. Save all these things and run it. And let's see what's gonna happen. So here is my node. Anupom studies this one and this one. And what we're gonna do it here, like we just swap this one and this one. See, first one, last one was this one. Now we just exchange it. And here it says no node as both node is same. Uh, then it says okay, test one, test two nodes, same nodes. Okay, no need to swap. Two nodes are actually the same nodes. And test two, there's different nodes, so the swap is happened. That's all, my friend, and please like my video and share the video and stay fine. Thank you very much.